beloved viewers, Times Now has accessed exclusive photographs of terror commanders operating from across the border as Jammu and Kashmir police continues a major crackdown on the terror ecosystem. Over the last 2 days, the police officials have seized and sealed 9 properties linked to top terror commanders across Poonch and Kathua districts. The action sends a clear message to terror handlers and their local facilitators that there will be no safe haven, no safe assets. Take a look at these reports filed by my colleague Ankit Bhatt.
Since 1990 till now, Jammu Kashmir police has emerged as a formidable force against the terrorism. When it comes to the counter-terrorism, Jammu Kashmir police are the first responders. Today we are going to show you an anti-Fidayeen mock drill where you can see visuals of an anti-Fidayeen mock drill on your televisions. There is a situation which has been created that if a terrorist has come to some particular place, how the terrorist is being engaged by the forces. You can see these are the energy commandos who are being covering each and every length and the breadth of this building, as they have got the information that terrorists are being hiding inside the building. They are equipped with the latest weapons and the equipments which they are being used with. Along with the energy, there is a special operation group of a Jammu and Kashmir police. We have seen since in 1990s also how Jammu Kashmir police has been emerged as the formidable force against the terrorism. What we are getting to know from our sources is that Pakistan is trying to send their terrorists into the Indian side. Pakistan is trying to once again revive the terrorism into the Indian side. But how Jammu Kashmir Police Special Operation Group along with the energy commandos are doing a mock drill over here. What we are getting to know from our sources is that in Jammu and Kashmir there are 30 to 35 terrorists which are active in this region. But now you can see how a mock drill is being conducted over here. There is a blast which has been occurred over here. And now you can see how energy is being going inside this particular building to engage with the terrorists. These are the men, these are the brave hearts who always tries to stabilize the peace. Now you can see once again the blast has occurred. This is the drill. This is a mock drill. These are the energy commandos along with the SOG commandos who are being over here for the anti-Fidayeen mock drill.